The RBI continues to keep the note ban details under wraps. The central bank has refused to give out the critical information on demonetization, citing the risks to the economy from making the information public. Let's get in Neha Botra, who joins in with details. So, Neha, it seems like the note ban process, that continues to be shrouded in secrecy.
Savan, this is something that we have been waiting to get more details on. In fact, there have been a series of RTI applications seeking details about the process, the thinking that went behind the entire process, the time frame based on which the decision was actually executed, how prepared was the Reserve Bank of India. However, all these RTIs have not been clarified by the Reserve Bank of India. The same response coming in from the Reserve Bank of India saying that the process needs to be kept in wraps under Section 81A, citing jeopardy in terms of economic interest as far as the country is concerned. In fact, this time around as well, there was a RTI application seeking details about the correspondence between the Prime Minister's office and the Finance Ministry, seeking the minutes of the meetings that really came to conclusion as far as this particular execution was concerned. However, the Reserve Bank of India declined the information, saying that sharing this information would jeopardize economic interest, and even said that it could possibly impede future fiscal policies that could be planned for execution at a later stage. All in all, we still don't really know how much money has been gathered by demonetization, what's the quantum of deposits that the government has really been able to get by way of this process. So clearly a lot of blanks need to be filled, and we are awaiting more clarity on that. But clearly the Reserve Bank of India 3 times consecutively in response to similar RTI applications has blocked any kind of sharing as far as these details are concerned.